Hi, let me tell you a story. There was this general manager who was my client, and he wanted to build his grit and had taken part in the boot camp. One of his tasks was to clean the dining table every morning. His mother in law was visiting him, was very amused with this thing that he was doing every day, and couldn't stop herself from asking, "What are you doing?" He replied that he was part of this boot camp and he wanted to work on his will strength. He also shared how, having built his grit, he was also more disciplined in his exercises and in his diet plan, and he was able to lose his weight from 108 kilos to 75 kilos. Why am I telling you this story? Hang on, keep listening. It's not the $1 million idea that wins, but it's the $1 million execution or discipline that wins. It's not the brightest student, the brightest scientist, the flamboyant artist, or the strongest person who wins, but it is the person who's disciplined, who has the grit, who always succeeds. If you must succeed in your pursuits and your goals, then you too must develop the tenacity, the grit, and the discipline to keep your word to yourself and to your commitments. To become the person who isn't swept by your feelings and thoughts, to become the person who shows up every day, to become the person who does the work every day, to become the person who keeps their word to others, and more importantly, to oneself. So now you may have little idea what the boot camp is about, but hang on, there is more to it. You may be wondering that you already know you need to work on these qualities, but you don't know how. So let me tell you how it works. I'm Captain Preeta Madhukar, a former sea captain, and after 20 years of sailing, I decided to start my organization Skills Beyond Education as part of my mission to strengthen will in people so they can go on and achieve their dream goals. I'm also an author of the book Three Culprits: Laziness, Fear, and Doubt, which further helps to strengthen your will. Having struggled in my teen years and adult years in procrastination, fear, and doubt, I developed a model to strengthen my will. I use this on myself and to mentor my cadets and officers on board ships. Today, I use it to help my clients strengthen their will and succeed in their goals. Whatever your goals may be, health goals, finance goals, relationship goals, to write a book, to become a champion, to become the great artist, whatever and anything and everything requires you to build your grit and your will strength. Today, I'm inviting you to join the Grit Club, a 21-day virtual boot camp to build your grit muscle, where over 1,000 plus people have benefited in the last 2 years and are fulfilling their dreams. When you join the Grit Club, you get me as your accountability partner to handhold and support you to build your grit muscle these 21 days. You also get access to my premium masterclass where you learn more about will strength. And finally, you get a digital copy of my book, Three Culprits: Laziness, Fear, and Doubt, for taking that bold action today. The program is simple and easy for anyone to follow and to complete, provided you follow on the process and adhere to the rules firmly. I can assure you of 5 things that you will start to see changes in your life. 1, be more consistent in your work and commitments. 2, strengthen your willpower to get more things done. 3, to achieve your dream goals much faster. 4, to overcome your laziness more easily. And 5, to get a boost of the feel-good hormones when you complete your task and keep your word to yourself. In brief, building your grit is to make yourself into an action taker and move you closer to your goals. As part of my mission, I'm offering the bootcamp at a really low price because I want to help you succeed and shine to your full potential. But you need to grab it now. I don't know for how long I will keep it at this low price. So what are you waiting for? Take action now. Remember, the more you delay and postpone, the more you'll weaken your grit and confidence to win. Will strength or grit is the secret ingredient of world champions and highly successful people. Grab this golden opportunity to strengthen your will today. See you soon at the challenge.